unveiling the origins, the fascinating story of blue parrot cichlids. Blue parrot cichlids, also known as parrot cichlids, are a popular hybrid species of cichlids in the aquarium hobby. They have a unique body shape with a beak-like mouth and vibrant blue coloration. Blue parrot cichlids can grow up to 6 to 8 inches in length. They are generally peaceful, but may exhibit territorial behavior during breeding. The ideal tank setup includes plenty of hiding spots, rocks, and driftwood. They prefer warm water with a temperature range of 78 to 82 F and slightly alkaline pH. Blue parrot cichlids are omnivorous and should be fed a varied diet. They can coexist with peaceful tank mates, but compatibility should be considered. The hybridization process involved in creating blue parrot cichlids has raised ethical concerns due to potential health issues. Taking care of this fish or any kind-off fish needs love and care. Thank you for watching, and also please like, share, subscribe on our channel.